Alright, I'm ready to go. Smart FA technique.
Yeah, today is day one. We just completed a smart golf test. How you feel today?
Feeling better than yesterday. It's only solved problem. And then this design is exactly what I wanted. Yeah. Because
You happy with the design?
yeah, that's it.
Yeah. So this is the design, and we only put all the graph. We can see all the graph in the right angle, right direction, right density, and there's no bleeding, there's no swelling, and he's healing very well.
Oh, and the assistant and you were very kindness and thoughtful. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.